Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Tales by Palavee. Today we're going to explore a big buzzword you keep hearing everywhere, AI or artificial intelligence. And don't worry, I'll explain it in a super simple way. Let's go.
What is AI?
In simple words, AI means teaching machines to think and make decisions, like humans, but not exactly like humans. It's more like giving them the ability to learn from data and solve problems.
Examples of AI.
Come, let me tell you some example of AI. Our voice assistants, YouTube, Google Maps, etc., which we every day use and make our life simple.
How does AI work?
It starts with data, tons of it. AI uses this data to learn patterns, then makes predictions or decisions. Just like how we learn from practice, AI learns from experience, but much faster.
What are the main types of AI?
Narrow AI is the type of AI we see and use every day. It's called narrow because it's designed to do just one specific task, and it does that task really well, but only that task. For example, Google Translate can convert languages, Netflix recommends shows you might like, Face Unlock on your phone recognizes your face. General AI. This is the dream of AI researchers, an AI that can learn anything, just like a human. Imagine a machine that can understand emotions, solve any kind of problem, learn new skills on its own, from maths to music. Sounds futuristic, right? That's because it is. We're still working on this. It doesn't fully exist yet.
Also, AI doesn't always mean robots. That's just in movies. AI is mostly software that runs on computers or cloud servers, quietly doing smart things behind the scenes.
So now you know. AI is like a brain for machines. It helps apps and tools get smarter and solve problems. So now you know what AI really means, how it works in our daily lives, and the difference between narrow AI and general AI. The world of AI is not just about robots or complex codes. It's about making machines smarter to make our lives easier, faster, and better.
And guess what? AI is not just the future, it's the present. Whether you're a student, a tech lover, or just curious, now is the perfect time to start learning more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Tales by Palavee. This is just the beginning. We'll dive deeper into amazing tech topics, tools, and tips in upcoming videos.
Comment below, where do you think AI will be used next? Let's talk. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.